Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm happy you tuned in and we'll start right ahead into the content. If you have seen my last video, you should already be familiar with all of the new models. But nonetheless, this video will be worth it, as I will present you much more information about the stats of the forces and also some history, and also show you all of the animations. Now let's begin by presenting the Fuchs clan to you. In there are the light swordsmen, the light spearmen, the light bowmen and the light ram. They can all be recognized very easy, as you'll see. The swordsmen are an ideal choice to assault your enemies right at the beginning, as they are cheap and still powerful. Their bowmen are also very efficient in the early game, but they are even better if they got some defense in front of them, as they are the most fragile Lux member in terms of health. It is also important to mention that it is not recommended to send in a Lux force alone. They really like some company, so don't hesitate to send them in quantities. But I should also mention that they all don't have a lot of health, so watch out for any voluminous attacks, as they will be humiliated if there are any. And if the enemy has any big sized creatures coming after you, you will thank the Lux spearmen to save your life. They deal big damage on big creatures. But against other forces, you should probably choose the swordsmen instead of them, as they deal low damage on small enemies. Now comes the proud of the Lux clan, the light ram. It definitely can kill forces, but if you can bring it near to enemy structures, they will be broken down quickly for you. Alternative, or maybe addition, to rams are miners. They are a lot cheaper and eager to chop down enemy stone like wood. Be aware though that they don't wear any armor, which makes them fast but vulnerable. Now we come to the opposite of the Lux clan, which are the good ones. I am speaking of the Ambo clan. These orcs weren't a danger with wooden clubs, but they learned how to make their own weapons through torturing a human blacksmith. Now they copy our weapons and try to overpower us to conquer our lands. Their swordsmen are a big danger for the bowmen, and in groups they can even defeat our swordsmen. And their bowmen are a big problem too. Ours outrange them, but they shoot faster and that hurts. And they come in big groups, which requires a lot of power to defeat them. Using bigger forces is a way to win, but they also got spearmen, which counter that. My friend, you already see that there is no easy way to win this war. Strategic use of buildings can help to win, but don't underestimate their heavy rams. They got a lot of health and destroy structures like small sticks. Now comes a short story break while you see the last animations. The small thing I want to say is that a lot of things that are said in the last minutes is not implemented yet, and stats are likely to change in the future. Same with structures, which I will shortly present to you. There I might even change the appearance, but I'm not sure yet. We start off with the most important building of all factions, the main gold pit. If it gets destroyed, the corresponding team is dead. In the human faction, miners are produced there. Next, we got all sort of taverns, starting with the swordsman tavern, where you can recruit swordsmen and spearmen. In the bowman tavern, you recruit bowmen, and in the ram tavern, you recruit rams. Very self-explanatory, so I will not repeat the same with the orc faction. It would be amazing if you share your opinions about all the tavern buildings in the comments. As of now, they are very symbolic and not any kind of realistic, and I might change the measures in the future. To finish off the video, I show you the icons of the 3 spells in my game. The fast heal spell, the fast damage spell, and the spawn bowman spell. That being said, I hope you found this video amazing and that I made you want to see more of my content. Don't hesitate to like and subscribe. I will also post a comment under this video in which I announce the upload date and time for the next one, so you can truly trust me uploading something. Have a wonderful day, goodbye!